Now it's time to treat some past questions from SSC. This question states, what is homeostasis? Homeostasis is defined as the maintenance of a fairly constant internal environment in living organisms. And I mentioned earlier that those factors that need to be kept fairly constant include temperature, pH, salt concentration, and protein concentration, and even glucose concentration. Now, the second question states, mention 5 parts of the body that are involved in homeostasis. And these parts include the glands, that's the hormonal glands, the liver, the kidney, the skin, and the brain. You should know that the brain controls all activities of other parts of the body. The next question states, list 4 functions of the skin. And the best way to answer it is by listing the 4 major functions of the skin. And they include maintenance of the temperature of the body, excretion of waste products in the body, protection of sensitive organs of the body, and production of vitamin D. Another question is, list 5 ways of caring for the skin. The skin, as you know, is a very important organ and needs to be taken care of, being the external organ of the body. And it can be cared for by having a bath at least twice daily, avoiding harmful chemicals on the body, on your skin. For example, excessive use of bleaching creams and so on. Now the third one is moisturization of your skin. You have to prevent your skin from being dry as it leads to irritation. Make sure your skin is well moisturized at all times. Fourth, ensure proper treatment of injuries to prevent infections. And finally, ensure a proper diet rich in vitamins and minerals to maintain a healthy skin. And with this, we've come to the end of the topic homeostasis. Endeavor to read the notes beneath, also the advisory notes, and take part in the quiz to strengthen your knowledge on the topic. See you next time.